since you're shit at English.
Alright.
Vigil was on hallway by bridge.
Nice good kill.
Well, now Vigil's in a grave!
Aura.
Solus was
In lounge here, in lounge upstairs with you, Ash. In lounge.
Good
Well,
shit.
He was in lounge, but now he's in a grave!
Type shit, my friend! Oh, you're so good.
I know.
Breach charge deployed.
What? I got a notification? Oh, cause PC. Yeah.
Breach charge ready. Wait! Breach charge ready.
Interrogation! Oh, she killed me. Cav went down scuba though. No, she's back up. She's still up scuba side. She ran to the right, Jinxie.
I'm watching cams. The cams are shit.
One scuba.
Is no longer in possession.
Gotta be joking.
I pinged it there! Guys, we have to lock in, bro. We have to lock in. Lock in, okay? Lock in.
Time to lock in. I'm turning violent.
Okay, guys, we have defense. I have a god tier strap. Oh. Okay, we're gonna run Cade and Tube, and then we're gonna set up a bunch of utility Skybridge. They're not gonna be able to do anything because they're not gonna be able to get the wall, and they're not gonna be able to push Sky. Let's go.
Who should I play?
Somebody play Cade, somebody play Tube. Okay, now we just need like literally barbed wire and Malusi. Somebody go Malusi. And then I'm gonna go. Alright, then I'm just gonna go barbed wire on the stairs. We win. So now if you want more util on Skybridge, you could go like fan or something. Cade, Tube, y'all hold the wall off. We defend everything else. Let's go.